The basic white chef coat is one of our best-selling items here at Best Buy Uniforms and Promos. Here's why. This chef coat is made with a 65-35 blend of polyester and cotton, making it durable and built to last. The 10 double-sewn pearl buttons, large left breast pocket, and mandarin collar give it a sharp and stylish look that's anything but basic. The thermometer pocket adds functionality and clever design. The full-length sleeve is V-cut, so it's easy to roll up and keep away from your food. The basic white chef coat comes in sizes extra small to 6X, and it never needs to be ironed, so it will look great and hold up even in the extreme heat of the kitchen. This coat is standard industry full cut. Order your basic white chef coat today from Best Buy Uniforms and Promos.